English at the airport. Good morning. Good morning, miss. I would like to check in. Yes, sure. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Oh, why not? Here it is. I have seen your information. You are flying to South Korea today? Yes, this is my first time. I have never flown before. Also, I am super excited. Really? You will enjoy this journey with us. How many bags do you have for check-in? I have only 2 bags. Could you please put your bag on the conveyor belt? That would be great. Your bag's weight is 25 kg, which is completely okay. Now tell me how many bags you are carrying on with you. Just one with my makeup and personal hygiene? It's fine, you can take that with you. Would you like to take a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. I would like to see the outside view of the plane. Here is your boarding pass, tickets, and passport. You will be boarding at 12:30 at gate 23. Okay, but where should I go next? You will go through security check. Please go upstairs. Could you please guide me to the escalator? Yes, sure. Go straight, then turn right. Thanks a lot for your guidance and support. You have made it very easy for me. It's our duty. Have a safe journey, miss. Watch next part for more information.